Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I do on my own. You do a robio and Pamis Kanyane. When maybe he did this cena. Eh? What a go? He got to tell you, Hank. Owa kpoga wa munyamerere na when e devun ohun na e devun where ni me won ni ya wo egbe because he turn to a dustbin e no ire ona ye dustbin e no ire o ye dustbin pakolobe no na ye no gwalebe na no mami egbe mi odo jaji ogwalebe se pe ra do hospital big o e ba ni o mami go ya sa egbe no na won ge ira. Everybody want to run from my body. Everybody want to get power. Was to knock back or rien or rien or papa essentially. I could be a pion. Not be everybody that they let them go free. Me, the family can't speak English. English when they tell me, say, he go come out for me. Me no yogi. Who come out for me? Mammy and Tamara. Now English go speak. But me no go speak English. A broken a cock bullet do buy. He got over. When what to say? What he has say? If you want to make friend, you wait they look me so. Make directly friend. Don't make friend because you want to lie. Don't make friend because say people know they talk to you again. You want to make friend. Don't do that. You wait they look me so. Don't do that. If you want to make friend with somebody, go direct. If you want to apologize to the person, apologize and forget waiting not to happen for grant for make sure you make no. Anyway, una know me. I'm not girlfriend for Facebook. Now grant for girlfriend. Una not see my friend for party daddy. Those kind of friends now they follow. Not say I see you for Facebook, you are my friend. No. My friend, we plan how to do things in Nigeria. We plan how to do things here. We want to go out. We have to sit down together and discuss how we will do with it. Those ones is my friend. Who made a friend for Facebook? A friend in where now. If you talk way, not talk way, you won't contact. You will call the other party contact. Well, now where they find friendship for Facebook? Now where they find mama? Now where they find papa? You won't call person mama. You not trust her. Yes, so see person mama. I know say now you did there. See me. Me and you who find power. See person mama. Look at me. I be person mother. Likewise you. You not get children. You get 3 children. See person mama. Yes. See me. Beautiful woman like me. No ugly. I not get a girl. With natural hair. Without no makeup. I just pull lipstick. You see the way I'm beautiful? I'm beautiful inside my household. I never go outside. See? Look at. You see? Yeah, this person mama. Because I be person mama, yeah, I will leave myself. Make una dey tell me yeah. So that make them not say, see person mama, now they do this. So you can go and lie because now there they give you food chop. They come right, see person mama. Ayela la meet. Now me they say see person mama. If you don't boy you one. Who do you hoya? Who wanna win in man? When I'm winning your pan when you're one lady west over. Why total I'm winning name? Who by winning of who you are winning name? You they use and give people name. Whereas if they say me they look you head to toe. People when you destroy their name, they are better far you. People when you destroy their name, they better pass you 100 times. Can't you bring your brain down? Make you be like your mates? Can't you bring your brain and do your business? Can't you see people business is growing? If you go and work, as you they work, so concentrate with your work, not be English. A cleaner is better than officer, university graduate. Can you imagine? Anybody when they buy you something, now they don't follow. If you like, Saba. Because you don't have money. When you have money, somebody like me now, nobody can stand up in this UK or Italy say, now people supposed to they follow you as a star. No be do no the perfume we. I was come patch. Who fi save you for juju shiran? I'll bet and patch. Who fi buy you one gun? Patch. Who fi buy you make a patch? He patch him and he making a patch me. I don't patch no one. You know why they do this thing? Is for you guys are watching. You people believe in lies. Stop it. Stop believing all those quash. Who never trouble for you? Yes, they say a bad house. Who has you bad? You know, if you talk and say you know bad house. Oh, we ma towa e patui wa misbehavior ni a e do pe ya ye YouTube. If you egbe gbo wa wagbon. Wa fi egbe. Ah, do wa be go wa lante. Outside London, house is cheaper. You can carry up and down. Get me say outside London, house is cheap. 400, 500, up and down. Oh, one, we call it house here, house. House from Birmingham upwards to Manchester is very cheap. If you are in Manchester, you are watching. If I lie, tell me I'm lying. I don't lie. A house is 500, 600. House full one. Even here, you won't go outside London. All those people when government they help, they ask them, do you want to get to Birmingham? Do you want to get to Manchester? They will give you a free after you will pay small money. What is that? You cannot use yourself to compare me that. Oh my God. You know where I dey now. You see the environment one day. Not only big men dey again. Who now go who it manager. You see where I'm living so. If you not get money, you can't stay here. If you don't have money, you can't stay. Oh, you go yagbe. Who now me borrow? Oh, we yena. Ya wa afia kun leli wa we again. Imewa ya tell account on Facebook. Ina agu wa ku. Uma we manipulator working njari. Ina kponi. Ugo man agu we manipulator na. Agu we can't give my brain. Somebody la oh, what you do can't give my brain. A brain did. Mudia no ya na sunu. Oh, well, you don't know how I change people's brain. Or not going to change your brain. When my way school, who was the label? Or not I think where what change my brain? Who do that? Who they are more see as see my Facebook. We have a Una ya lele. Bambiala. Where download? Oh, you might have download the scene. Yes, my man make me ya. It was fever. To kale. So I did bawa. Can you imagine me and you the conversation? You can't go call the group for inside. Maybe they listen. How does one they do me well? How for take deny all these ones? How for take cry for Jesus Christ? Oh, you have to that's my voice, so my voice. Because this one, me and the conversation. Now that time we take beat na me beat Naomi. You understand? When they cry like say na small pikin he come cry like for my ear. Okay, we dey way o ma manipulate o ma. Hey we bu na, o be mal. O yan o go dey be ya manipulate we a. O ma we ma we go dey be. Why you wear your one man be gbe ne? Ah ni go we ma you know oh God, why some people are like this? That way London we here so we kuboko boy because e gba ma wo keke na gbe aflog dey. Unu we ya mo ma dia we ya la lo nisan. Uju nu condemn e fu ni na ya la lo ni. Why do you that watching me so please even though na me and you don't talk before we don't play don't spoil me. If you want to go don't condemn anybody. Don't spoil anybody. Go away like that. That's why you see, say me and the other one that time, and they tell us, say, stop it. You now don't do friends of 10 years, stop it. I bagiene. Wa gweni ni gbe mi osun. Wa gwe gbe Blessing Joe, please. Blessing Joe, please. If I never finish my video, don't tell me I skip anything. You say where Nelly Black is talking, I skip it. Don't do that. Because I never reach that place. Okay? I never skip anything. Correct your video, voila. I never even reach here. Nelly Black is not running, okay? Nobody's running. He don't even do bad. It's normal thing. It's normal thing. Must you go and say it there? It's normal thing. Not be say gossip. You not gossip. Who be this one? Oh God, why Mudiane? Mona, wait. I better wait for me. Let me go and bring something to put for my ear. These people want start to be call when they want to do audio. That time they won't call me. I'm coming, guys. Hold on, hold on. Let me put something for ear. Mona said I'll be this now. Cut everything off. I'm coming, yo. Go to my feet. I'm coming, yo. Going. I don't want anybody to hear your voice. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Now let that one, let that one. Now they hear me. Eh? Share this video, guys. If not, only this one will play. This one when you say na manipulator, I will just play that one and stop. The rest I know we hear. Pray it and share, put love alike. If not, I will not play it again. You know, why I'm doing this is that how can you and someone dey conversation? Now work I did that day with my people. I did work. I don't know, say this woman, he did with those group when he called me, which is very bad. You understand? I don't know, say, me with you, they talk. You go call group. Now my voice, others won't call the record. What if to say I talk something bad? Now so they will still record me. Now so they will say, you know good. I will be don't want another group now when you see gather. Firing squad the group. I will be try, hey. If you are talking to one person there that the person love you and the person you are he give you ear to they speak, maybe they cry inside. Don't go and call the group. But my people, oh God, oh, they come. You understand? Or when is your way because a ayela lamit or when a manipulator. Or where all change we brain, not change in a road that will kill it. Thank God what mighty change of him, or who are change in a row. They are hating manipulate. Why are manipulating? But my spirit in of women or kakagi. Oh, we can do I change in my brain. Amy no soon with Facebook or me ya judge. We when they now me making a law, one making a war, or phone a gossipy, or a gossipy, ya was your no a worry nor a Facebook do one. Or in a bear. Who were on the other of Viet boy was a now wait till Kurukaria. If you were Vietnam and a view jano, every likeness, every love is a rubbish cry. When I see me, rubbish. Una muye a group near recording. Thank God say me man ima ve tell me down my people. If not, audio na ni awa kworo given a boom, audio boom be I me second way. Benny meje I wear on my man e big Benny send ya you no content me. You know not say me they always tell that nobody will know the gossip. You know why? Me with them was gossiping. If whatever any what say, it may be my gossip Riantie, Ayela Lamiti, my gossip, Kakaba. If you ain't been on my way, Mate Yakwa, Mata Hekwa, Itakwa. Again, I plan to be one will near and up on and one will one way structure. You know, start I feel like baby Facebook, no making a city Betty on him. It may. Maybe what do I plan maybe no money. He plays, If you not play the, if you not share, I will not play nothing. Nada. You understand? Nada. I just play that one. Me here say, he say na manipulator. Ugly manipulating one. Oh yeah, change my brain. A group ni age. Yeah, change the green, change the pampas. Share the video and put love and like. If not, I see, I'm out here. Why I'm doing this, I'm using it to preach for you guys. When you are making friend, make a good friend. Don't make friend that or you are very beautiful for back. Or what you have been on swear you a chuku. You know how many people matter don't tell me. You will never hear that one from my mouth. Because I be reserved woman. But when I'm with a group, in me a gole here. No, when I'm with a group, after oh God, oh Jesus, Jesus. Again, now you go group people. Now you will tell us they don't like this woman. Now you tell them say, and what's up? Oh no, do suffocate again. Why be? You ain't been able to do atu. Atu la dia. Atu la dia because you know we make it. No, who can't now be the one when I talk before we the quarter. Oh, where me my people. Be sincere. You don't ever see where people know the quarter. Who are money who are gossiping. As I ask you now that word, you are person not get argument. You are person not the quarter. When they celebrate later, you sorry for that. Measure your name. Ben edita yo mi ma my good there. Ube even ya gu edere ma mu njo. Igwa daughter. Igwa gossip. Emi o se mi ana gossip man. If you are person on the quarrel, you know will know be your friend. You think say me and my friend on the quarrel. We dey quarrel. If you quarrel, I will tell her what you do me no good. Awful we bad 2 years not the year because when 2 years here the friendship not the last again. If go see what your friend talk for your body, go see what you talk for your body. If one ugly I'll say her, I will gossip or say you will keep but talk when manger with now you gather the group. When you are here ben our yard also with Facebook. Or say na gear. Yeah when mama be you are the evil the one that you may know your mom. You may know your mom. Yeah and make you what they when we do bomb. Eh we me amaje. Yeah, I need to when you have voice in here. Please stop. Please stop. It's okay. It's okay. Please. You go in the black black well. You are walking out those suffocated. Where you come a devil here, honey. You ain't been an hour dirty. I will kind of beat you. I use the I dump you. Who do you use and dump? I use very obvious. I remember when this fight of Facebook really tough. Yeah, now you go be somewhere. One in a way I use on a dump. Eh, Okonati. Okonati. How can you say you use people and dump them? How can you say you use people and dump them? So the English now is sweeting you. It is sweet everybody. They say he use the dump them. Use the who they use dump. Now you won't use people where. Hey, Baba Mushe. Oh God! Then the ase munwe na no gelele we so say ni. Then ni ahia munwe. Ime ni agbagbo ya mo gbagbo mo se no ime do are. If am a village interpreter no ni ime ko we the village speaker. Village interpreter who me wine. You know where wine. Who go na mo ni na wine. I'm a village interpreter. They no na pana English interpreter. Egugu tabrabi. When I a village interpreter. When me abi, any ni me wa accept ezigizigi. Wa me san man na me ezigizigi we me we agbon. Eni nu wa mo me ni me wa mi o ye pe. Am Mrs. Ezigizigi. Mrs. Ezigizigi. Ezigizigi alele we ado mi ya. Ezigizigi na alele we. Be away, I man we mo be by social media. Itie wetin ina me ya hia. Imi me ya hia. Ni ameke na seri we bo. Imi me ya hia. Ibe zigo we jo. Uwe ogi we nu yawe. Omo na pa magime. Ijo mo hi. Ijo mo ga de na verbo e de radio. Uma me se we de o we fa we na when we mo ye audio. Or if I will ever talk to that woman. Why woman honor the ebo obi en gujin awo. But better day honor to boy we be born you be shushu do na mo won we glu we na we ga na ma. E bo we fe de re. Awe wa mi obeson ka gbe snake. O ka gbe obeson ka gbe snake. Imo eve na ya mu wa ere. Awo se no ga. Awo se dan. Awe tomato seller. E school wa yo wa ya yo. Enene school. Na village typewriter and the village. When be wa zigba sena mo se sena. Ukon wa ya agbe. We ma be ukon wa ya ye pato me ya o me je wo wa. Ukon. O we adoji many la lady of all. Ya gi egbo wa. Edede skata. Edede no betin. Edede zaga. Edede no won go. Edede no wa era edi. Edede no ma ye school. Hey, idze vi me. Edede no ma ye school no egwan. Eni ni me hia mo no we me gwalo na no wa master we. Eni ni me amu enwe. Eni ni amu enwe no me ke na lele we so wa. Who be this? If this person not take care, who be this one? Yeah? Yeah? Hey, no, call. Yo, call. What, yeah? Call. Oh, yes, c'est ça, get married life. Il vient vivre. Okay, ma. Remember you. Una de hear me? What you say where lulu ewa? Mama ni mama we wa mi ame we ma wa gossip. When I went to be married la dia social media. Una ya talk with your mom. When my woman making 5 minutes video. Or we doctor we aya who's the label. Maybe you at this one. Am I watching? Are you hearing me, guys? Are you hearing? If you're hearing me, just let me know. You know. La de those label, mama. Awe bon we zele ni bori. Those zele mama. We ga ri me no de. Wa na anwe bie. Bie no wa no so take wa. Share this video, pull up a like. Now make an act okay, so that we will know whether we'll do part 2. A part 2, when audio know the mama payful. Audio me my sister is good. All different demand you go. Or different demand for now you go. Well, some people say the audio not make sense. Mama when not make sense. Any many emo ban wa yaga do geyi. O me when we hon. Gain your moment you total. Oh ya tie ebo na gbin adun payful. Are you people ready? Are you share the video? Do you pull up a like? You pull up a like so that I can sit down. You know I'm still standing. So that we can sit down and play the rabaragua. Or should I stand and this one the barakpoto? Oh mama, no matter money, no mama, no man, no J, no man anyway. Yellow. I want to be my friend. I was on Latin. No, they are the real video. Dada na mi we be party ave mi le ka describe kuni aye we ma dada na hia mi ogwa na we ka ruo wa ya ni ave silicon it dey as there any live video ogbera we adeye o oni medo we webo any live video pass not pass me by any live video ogwa not back Canada don't pass me by let me cause on the day na wish. Hey, Jojo, no wish. Don't pass her by you. Don't pass it. Don't pass second the day bad. Don't pass her by. The day pakboro no ikakawowa. I want tell me where enonika way ehereno la renita mawe. Uki village appraisa. Village appraisa la renita mawe. You are getting my say on you when we a sagyon pamalo eh. No ya me go on Facebook. A sagime or river. Meti do out go a talo become men. o me me ugwe when me do ido to ta do we no san esagi men o ga gu be na ma muri ogwa ogwa ya do ne ata ya betie me mama otu ani no rest so wune uma ya tie we so wa gi me ma do agbe egbon ya me be social media important west ni me hiata ido tete a do agwo ni gun wa ge once ni je igwe gun once ni je o igwe gun ave de igwe gun yin egede o ho no robio me egede no ya regret babala ugwe no ro una wa mo ge ja me we na ego di una thank God that una you know ya confess you do e confess me ti ni na ya ka kwa bazin una ya ka bo bi ologbo village abrata una ya confess we ma ka mi me we face a business we eti gbina e wo we ni egbo gbina ni egbina ni we na go ebo aba go le sutu why you can't go shake go meet am we ma we ni me egbo gbina mama ona we ni me do gbina wa mama I did go na gbina ungrateful no mama a snake no eni yaro orimo benu ya me bo gbe pa e yaro no take it look here who dey zuzu mama o we on we do go ya like ime you dey zuzu benu we wa gi messing on ogioso na we obi ebo kin do yin ya se like we mi yari e bebo gi me dey do ami mi man do pay o idu eni o pay ibi esa ga pay ne no ya lu pupebo o mi go ri la ja poro poto wa gi nu era o gara ri ma uno pata ga vekwa ma na te pokoko wa gi ma ya we le gbe YouTube when we me we YouTube me na do go ado tell me na ma kheke mi bana it's for my children o see a video ni ri arriba I download the yayo and we are go mu da iga igbole yaye ba I told you we since 15 years village operator since 15 years old we told boy you went to ato na na kaya ku we ya wale kwa what YouTube where you block we for you tell me before you put it admin try if that YouTube will let you delete. If you don't delete, I'll delete you later. You have to tell me before you put your stupidity there, okay? Alright, guys. Don't do that. When we were total, we were do time the day. A day. Who has say 15 years who to say. But over no rule now, be a day la ella. When la no rebel, what be you effort? Oh, we were bono more no me. Ah, wow. Emu me ni mese sane obo kon bi sanse ebu wa ni emu me ni meta watamawa ebo ni bara kan ni emu me ni mesa watamawa we na se o gele se oge ne ba se oge gbe oge ne we a le lo se kian uki ate mata won wa ito oge e mata o ma na ya le lo se kian ba se to oge ba se ato oge ma le dio wa hon metana ai to oge abi wo we ebo village girl I say to oge wa le lo se kian u le lo se be honest o de wanta o de ya ayata won o ma wa o re Facebook wa do le dede mo bo won egbe wanta ru wo nu won mi ni metana Jesu no ge emi ami Facebook wa go metota na pe ifo na eke no ise no de won egbe ma wa kan abo no de Facebook we me akmo ya e sort of stress mu ya like that Naija commenter e stress ro where a brain that brain he has stress you know as he has stress so he na me want take down anywhere live video dey you know go say make you go find where you go find paper all the make anywhere opeka not good opeka is a man opeka I need a bank. No, if they work for bank, not be my this. You know, our just normal work. Normal work, they pay you month end. All those when I go work since you see, tomorrow na Thursday, I will see the new salary, almost the 300 and something. Niya will just part time. Men like him when me rest. Who do you na? Him manage you na. Men like you kwa. Can you have go go atalo? Can you have go? Igo ya dele godi. Igo ya bo wa. Do fear kunde lo da family has boy. Honey, the honor me. Honey, you're if not my skin no go fine. Maybe I do organic clean I bleach once in a while. We ya me say. My baby all day. Without no bleaching, all day one my baby. Yaga can do say na do viokwa. Was loa. Ave zuzu. Ave paki. Who be they call me? Well, you were calling me. Maybe funny one, but me on ya. Who de zuzu? Zuzu kele me on we Latian. Maybe cannot to make equal. Latian do baby. Who won you? Who's a label? A champion. Championessa. Italia we tu se championessa, vero? Vieni fuori. Come and insult me. E bien cacado you with there. Well, who were anything? Hello. Tell me. Tell me quick. Yeah. Not be you, I'm seeing your missed call now. I see your missed call. But, you understand? But, Tieni, Larry, you not deal with that bullet first one. Or if you do any, I will play the one where you say, why Ruby or so, in your more bug, or say, don't, or so too. On a macaque when they are, yes. Mama say between me and you personally, it's between you and me. Say okay. Nigeria people, nah. Me, why we know like? I'm not really making win now. I guess yes, so na ata yet iguata no. Asia kota. CF1. Oh yeah, go down like this. Bansan. Ni total obi other thing. Yeah. Why they now? Atuzu, de zuzu de paka. Ni gwe mwene. Afan ma be gwe salaga boy. Isi ekota we na so that mwa ho meti de phone Yoruba. Now they feel me. You got me share. Oh yeah, not go that side. Not go up there.
So if I start beating you, if I start fighting you, like I'm going to use my word. I said if I start fighting you publicly, it will be like, I bet you don't face the verse for Lolo. Oh, I said because that is why I keep telling you what I did, I didn't do it for you. So God, I don't want you to have that thing the way, the person she fight for me. I said no. God, I want you to erase that, please. I said, if I want to be very, very dirty with you,
Is it clear? Guys, are you hearing? Guys, are you hearing well? Are you guys hearing? I might call the phone in again. While you talk. You guys hearing? Yes or no? If you are hearing, tell me now. Email you can yaku. Thank God for the group. A group will not mark better. A group will not God. Okay, you people are hearing. Okay.
Maybe she's been angry. I said no because personally you didn't do me anything. But it's just this now.
But he not do you anything. He not do you anything. Use my finisher.
Now my own.
Put right there. Well.
I said that is it. I said nobody ever wanted to take your truth. Nobody ever wanted to silence you. Nobody ever wanted to tell you what to do. No, we just came to support you. We didn't now come to control you. I said, those people who came to say I plugged them. I said, no, do you know what they tell me about you? But I'm still not going. Especially, there's one, Diamond, Omo, and Uwa Sazua.
No.
I'm not going to still tell you whether they even come out and start insulting me. I will still tell you because it's a secret they confided in me.
You sure?
I said, those people, I blocked them because when they started making the post personal to Melissa, I have to just block them. And we were once together. I don't want to have have anything with you. I don't want to start raising.
Okay.
And I said,
Okay. You are once with them. You don't want to have problem with them. When you come bring your head now because you won't go there back. Now you come to insult the one where you are in there together. You come to tell them, I will use the example. After I don't advise you, beg you, I say, please, stop, please. So because English speaker, that's English village woman.
especially why I didn't come out to publicly talk to you was because you're wrong in Makayaku.
Boss,
I said because
on your son in Mebu, where Egeron Wakayako. Why you not can use that Egero to follow this group? Wamaka chats on your mama.
I keep getting calls of she's doing. I said that was why I personally said I should call you today because I'm sure you didn't know why I didn't talk at all. Maybe you think
Mona, listen carefully.
you are thinking otherwise, or because they've given you the impression that you have me. She was just laughing like, do I have your picture? Mama B heard her.
Yeah. Mama B heard her.
They've given you the impression of
Mama B heard her because I was there listening. You know why I say I should listen? He said, Mama, I want you to listen because this woman is a big liar and record it, Mama, in case of a case it that he come and lie on me on social media, not me, or if he come and lie on her on social media, so that we have the proof. Say, this is the proof. But I didn't do it. I don't know, say, still come on, go meet the group, go they use the man, they confess. Mama Big is there. Mama Big is listening. The audio now so abuse. Sometimes
or maybe you've given them the impression.
the audio now so abuse. Who they record them the mistake.
Leave them alone. Leave Mama B. Or Mama B is. She said Mama B keeps beating her. Mama B keeps flogging. I said no, because maybe you are talking back to her. You know, Mama B also has a platform. If you talk to her, she will want to respond. You know Mama B, the way she does that thing. If there's anything you want, you feel you are not comfortable with that she's doing, you can call her to settle it.
He not talk that one. He not feel comfortable. Wetin me they do, right? Okay, you get platform, me get platform. People carry case, can't give me my people. Make I judge am. You say make I not judge am, unless na your platform make call the wetin be that you dey Facebook, I dey Facebook. Wetin be that one? You dey Facebook, me dey Facebook, na invest. He come dey warn me like say na him sister in dey warn. Now I tell am say, Ogun Gboya. Una hear me for inside bus that they say, who me there? Una do a control, man. He say me call me say, Mama B, why now? Wetin happen now? Me I tell her say, never you do that next time. You not let me finish case. You go Instagram, they dance. You say you don't win. Wait till you win. The remaining party not talk. You go they dance. Now it be this one.
I said you cannot just be keeping mute all the time. No. I said now the new friends you have now, you're not going to be chasing them if they offend you. No. Sometimes you let people know.
Now so the audio they seize the one and obvious.
Okay. You know Mama B. Mama B was on phone with me. Well,
you hear?
Conversation throwing shade at them.
Mama B was on phone with me hearing the conversation. Now there I convert for Ayela Lamit. He was insulting me there. If now you person where you favor, you join her, they beat around beat you. End of the day, you are hearing for background that is insulting you. How will you take it, my people? One of the men. Now when they look me so. Because he didn't know I was there. I was the underground. You understand what I mean? She start throwing words of insult on me. Say he can't swear. When he threw the insult on me, I said, this woman, you can't lie.
I said, if your people they are even insulting me, this I say, come, I don't care, but all these people, I said, Nelly Black was very instrumental. I said, please come, maybe I never told you what Nelly Black did. I said, all those time I was always doing updates, not updates, live video. I said, Nelly Black was the person that I said, Nelly Black, please let me tell her, Proko. I said, maybe I didn't tell you in our course of discussion then.
Let me tell you, wait till he talk, because he dey low his voice. You know, so one person won't lie, he go low his voice. Nelly Black, he said Nelly Black was walking. They said they're not invite. Well, now they say Who na fight for? Now the hear now. Who na fight for? He not fight for anybody. He said it was instrumentally. Nelly Black was instrumentally, and every update when he make, because nobody know at that time. Una know now. No, anybody can do that. Even though you not do one, if Aproko be in friend, you will carry. Aproko they carry all of our video. But for your side, Aproko not know this woman. You understand? So Nelly Black now make Aproko to know her. You dey hear me? That's why I say, Nelly Black was instrumentally is the one that telling Aproko, because any video you make, nobody to carry it. So Aproko not know who be this village data operator. So then the Black helper say, oh Aproko, can you take this video? Because he want popular, Aproko will help you carry on.
Like that. I cannot just discard her and now say, oh my me no cow. There was nothing she did for me. I said they were all instrumental. I said, but Nelly.
You see, you know why they say here my fight email. He said all was instrumentally to you to save your life because you already gone then. Now remember where they did this thing. You already gone. Go look when he did that time. He here come make when he did inside that stress. He here now head he come there now. He may not pity ne. Okay, I'm gonna you know where dog body when my home where I won't work your enemy. Now make me come and say I'll go to Larry will come okay. Yeah, go by.
Somebody because I was scared. I don't know anybody. I don't want to go and because of I said these days of one person having 50 this thing fake accounts. Who do you really want?
You dey hear her? One of them was having many accounts, even including himself, herself when they talk so. He was having almost 50 accounts. Can you imagine? One of them was having a Facebook on my phone. Anybody that have 50 accounts, what remaining? This one have 50 on my phone. That not the tail operator, my people. I too love you in your home. So I in your chong. You understand? Which is very bad. Again, man, I will live video. My told me over 50 fake accounts. When I hear for a month to not be my month not.
To please. And she said, oh, what Joy Thomas did to her was I said, look, that Joy Thomas. I said, listen, all Joy Thomas video, I didn't listen to it. I said, if I tell she said, no, Melissa, that's what I said, listen, I didn't listen to it. But when my attention was drawn to it, and it was not even any of it was not Nelly Black, it was not any of this people that even drew my attention to it.
Yeah, Joy Thomas, all of them was your side. There was your side so that you can breathe, you can live life again, because give away take whoever. So that you will breathe and live life. What do you do to Joy Thomas? When I are over here, I am my boy.
I said it was one woman that called me and woman Paritali or living in Joy Thomas who is not good that she's doing that. I said, I didn't watch that video. I said, no, you know me. Even when we were to get some video, they would have done it 2 days after. You got them say they are
yeah, he go the call. Fighter. But say why you not get power? Why you are team man? Fighter oh, yaga a live video, you have oh, la a village operator, oh, la redia do bina me. Oh, one of our we mogati at 2 hours, mamma getting yache, they were no do bina. Oh, one of our mebok, but was a measure you why we moya mwere. Yeah, mure, you know, ya mwere, make an amure. Oh, why we are here, do young back be young back be baby, having vote the gallon. You know, quad moyani, I love you. I fancy me and I love it. Ima when you do coco boma, when you give you strength. Avec binanavic ba. Ale aku. Or give away there is sick or not by for when you're sick. Hey, he on in a glimpse. Hallelujah.
No, I just had my mission, and that was Monica.
A mission with a winner. And then a mission with Tana. Oh God, and then a mission here I am wearing do when we near. Oh, I will bring an India tonight, we had the bottom on every mission. A bad mission, you're not a mission, a good carry come make conflict mission. Your mission was who? But my mission or you will die or you will come. Dania?
I told her, I said, Lolo, I said, when that, she said, table checker, Joy Thomas. I said, listen, when Joy Thomas started, I said, when my attention was, I said, I called Agnes. I said, because that lady has so many accounts that I don't know which one to talk to. I don't know which one to reach. So I called Agnes. I said,
No, my people, after you allow them to open so many accounts, it's true, you will not know the one to talk to. Benny me yede de, oh, yeah, yeah. I don't know the one be their own. I don't know the one when the not be their own. Sometimes yeah, can't yeah, we don't be me. Wow, and why oh yeah, why? One where they have so many accounts, even including this one, Zuzu. Who the Zuzu?
Agnes, I said, please let me talk to Joy Thomas to stop now. I said, but because you already want to believe what you want to believe now, mainly because I didn't say Lolo, I'm in support with you. You just said, oh, I was already friendly. I said, no. I said, then the black, when they saw your comment, your people's comment, your new supporters comment everywhere, then they quickly figured out that Lolo could have been doing all that groundwork. That was why they were angry. Oh, Mama B was telling her to come and apologize to them. Nelly Black.
Yes, that's what I said. I said so. When people tie rapper, they bring you con life, you insult them. I call you, darling. It's not called for. I don't want these children to be raising update for you every time. Apologize to them. Tell them, I'm sorry. I'm not talking to you guys. See the way I was talking. Is it not? I be metobia. Wa mami e give ai. O gbe fan say no ya like honey. We like when do the ba we. Oh ya like honey. Oh gbe na we come here sorry. That's wisdom. It's good for someone to have wisdom. Uga be fancy when they come here sorry. They will not calm down. They will not go lovely mind for you again. Uga fipagian. Ole na the black and do writing of we are all your school. A university no you are in Nigeria. I go one of both.
Come out and tell them that the working class video wasn't for them, which she also reaffirmed that it wasn't for them. I said, yeah, it could be that it's not for them, but because they are working, they might be like, oh, maybe that we should they talk to.
Yeah.
I said, that was with me personally. Also,
You're supposed to come and explain.
They talk to. I said, that was with me personally. I also told you. I said, talk.
The way they do the old group, that's the way they will still do to the new group. You people are new group. Get it in your fucking brain that, yeah, they are coming to still do you like that. I will in here. Even here, not look, but not Guyan Zigo, I are Pamisikanya, be live video. When the pony said that many say only the understand. And I me letter where you can insult my mom, so far you know insult my real mom. Wow.
You know? So that was just it. You know, I just said, listen, maybe I just wanted to know that you see the reason why I didn't come out for public because I didn't want to satisfy Monica especially, not even any other, but I didn't want to start. Monica never reached me. I read what I let it be between me and you first. Maybe then I cannot come out. But for now, you didn't personally do me anything. So if I not start beating you every day, you not look as if, oh, was she angry with Lolo? Was she mad at Lolo before? No. I said, are you telling people who wanted to force you?
No. What you supposed to tell her? You're supposed to give her wisdom and sense. That many say, oh, no. Anything you tell her, say, stop, stop. All this trouble. I used to call her, will you stop? Now you are in UK, the other ones in the UK, you are talking. Nebonika no be me, ke Bible no saye agbo no be me. Man, if it's here, we come on, stop it. You are not in UK, the other one's not in UK. Move on. UK full of job. UK full of life. UK full of wisdom. UK full of every other thing you can't of. You want to make a life is UK. You are here now, let it go. You don't want to let it go. You not be a gbe. I do by what I be a gbe. Oh, you not do a pamiskanya. I be a gbe niya. As the women, you not reason. As I reach Nigeria, they are not bringing different topics. I say, you know, I remember. Okpaka cannot appear for all these kind of places. Wow.
Wanted to force you. Who is forcing you? And nobody.
No, we are forcing me. They are forcing me. They are forcing me.
I said you keep giving people impression, giving the people the impression that we after wanted you to say not by force. No, nobody said not by force. We just wanted you to hear from Naomi so that now She still wear class now all your food what Yana. You know, and you personally told me that Easy is Switzerland. Naomi gossiped you to Easy is Switzerland. Not knowing that Easy is Switzerland was already mad at you because of the air-link.
Now the year
The phone, your phone that got missing, was it Naomi said it was Bianca who told her that phone never got missing.
Oh, Jack
I
Mojeni.
wanted a new phone. I said that was the
He
moment
need
I
new
was
phone.
telling you, call
Now he got a lie, say phone
It's
lost.
not like a commanding call your Naomi, no. A commanding call Naomi, no. Or a forceful call Naomi, no. It was call Naomi so that she can also relate to you. Those things you didn't know before. That was also said by your goddaughter and Fetosa, which they never told you. I said that was just my so that you will know that if you didn't
Mudiane village da prata. Wa Mudiane wa ni Agrippa na wala re. Ogun emu ye wana. When Agrippa ben we je we photosas ube ya je de onugba bi egba iye gbe ya ze mother. Ekwe mu gwe. Ura we bo who does a god mother. We live video they no ya masewe. E photosas they no ya masewe we ya si je. Wa agwa le stand wa ya zige ije no fama wa public o ye so kire are ije wa de nkan ye kun omo no ji mezi je ogbe so me we shopping kian ogbe so me we shopping igwe can you send me your address iga we shopping imugian ere ya mi je e wi je wa toto obi e wa gaga wa gaga wa bo wa wo emi no je nu wa every when you buwari you know go say be bitu na enter house odo buwari right ije za ije susu unza o betting wo betting we no betting egwa le ke no jika pe ni egwa le no ma ba yen anywhere progress dey my people he will never appreciate. You want better person waka no more waka move front no move let person pass na lie igbo fo gbo e wa gbon wa no ya ye de oh god look at you guys why all of na dey live video na the phone na want to do mama e mama na even security e mama na if you want to e mama no agwan is looking for one way to tell you what to tell her. I just do this or it's not or this or they can take it as a saga. It's not a saga. It's the audio that will give you brain and give you sense. When I figure they insult and may insult him, he may insult him with no beneni. He why? He beat to he reached to be my daughter. You know age when my daughter did. You know ya bena ya robi omen. Omo never respect ni je. Or be si ba never respect no maro papa. Or you may ya poju na. Or be bobe iga me we ya gbena ya robi me. E deni aba be are off. E YouTube me na gbole ne ka ekwa. Now they can now so that people will know who the Zuzu. Ogbin na niwe do fine. Ma wa oni. Do ogbin na niwe do only matter what my can gbin na gbo ma egbo. Just where I went here where e ma ya mo ma gboto. They are bringing the those down. I want maybe you guys to hear this thing. I don't vex. You dey hear me? Go bow me.
Naomi can also relate because the three of them are people who love you. And when the moment this gossip started,
You know whether people they love Vivani. You know whether person they love her. Or I don't love you. Well, I love it, but I love her. My people, before you they say he love himself. Oma no ga gwegwe uma bege ke no bejo o ga ri opo yuduku mene ero peru no ukpe biggest oto mo no ti mena name ukpe biggest no ya ukpe biggest you na doro bi o ma ya wa fi mi je o meme ukpe biggest wa zuzu go do guwa gun ma te onu gun ari oto wa mo gbese iko go and look for job Hello, darling. Hello, sweethearts. Yes, darling. How are you? Yes, so I hear you. I know put on for speaker. Yes. Tetum. No, no. Need not the speaker. You want me I put speaker? Okay, you want me I put on for speaker? I know. See, audio, okay. Go be play, okay now. Okay, for hey, Facebook go make a finish in there. Near the if you are near the first meeting, when my speaker, hold on.
I don't want make problem with anybody again for my life.
Understand?
All this thing already happen. It don't happen because our sister Lolo they get one audio where he record faith where he need to play, and they come out now. Make me by myself come tell them how it the matter take day and make everybody carry paper. Make they take jot down. Make they use their tongue take count their teeth. After I don't play the other, I don't do everything for them. In short, make the I want YouTube after today. May I rest for the matter so that who knows say you want free for bondage, in go free. Because in all these things where they happen since yesterday, everybody will get sense don't know where matter.
Yes, now.
You don't even know say you want enter live video too.
I enter. Like, because I never finish. I never finish.
Do my own. Every way I know. As far as I'm concerned, anyway, Mama, may you continue. May I can't explain everything. I did not want to insult anybody, and I will not insult anybody.
No, don't insult.
I'm ashamed to announce to people that no, I not the insult. I want to say I'm ashamed to announce to everybody that I even know somebody called Lolo in my life. And I'm not insulting now. I just talk and say I'm ashamed. The reason why I'm ashamed, may they come see if I want to do video just now. I don't even know say you did life. I be don't even on my
I did life.
Everything. Now when I just open my phone and see say you did life.
I did life.
But nevertheless, I'm still going to let it out. Okay. And I'll forget about anything we got to do with this lady. May everybody, our community, home and abroad, may they know who be the matter for all this matter. May they see. No problem, mommy. You do well for everything.
Thank you.
You do well.
Thank you.
That's why, mom.
Una they hear me? Just hear me.
Squash it. I said some of these things that they are saying, when Naomi will bring it to me immediately, I'll say, Naomi, don't go there. And Naomi will just suffer rest.
Naomi was begging. They should not talk to Wokon Yesan again. Wokon Yesan Wagbe. Who are not begging for nothing sake. Well,
the only thing she came out, that's how we are beating Monica Lawa. Monica didn't even say another.
He was begging.
I said because I already trusted that talk. There was no need to now come and be telling you the law, or I will not come and say Naomi gossip, Naomi did gossip. I said, but these people also.
When I saw me, okay. Oh, we're here at the bay. I give her. Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Some people they hear when they go to talk to me, they will hear my husband first say, Daddy there. I'll say, Daddy like son. Daddy, good evening, sir. It doesn't matter. If you call person your picking, why you not go talk to your husband? Oh, when we're going to picking when you get for you don't talk to your husband. You now, you wait the dia, you be picking. You be fighter, village fighter. You not be picking. Why you say you are man you wear or more? Why not talk to her? Now, mama, where you see mama? Now there you see daddy. I be a man lying, my people. If you use person to picking, like where your husband is daddy. Yes? Okay, no raw. Then okay. Oboko esan, esan gaje. Oh, we can be saying na again. Oh, the final era. When there's already there, we can say mama you. Oboko era Europe or the fire Nigeria rule. Ere ami father and mother. Then I am where you know let her talk to. Why no talk to her? No be daddy. Now daddy and mommy now. Daddy and mommy am me cook be. Daddy and mommy, they sit together. I mean, mommy, I say daddy. But take baby ready. Who were married? They were my bunny.
Fetosasa have not gone to say, look at what Keto DL did. Because you said you were the one who told Naomi. Naomi said it was you wearing the one that
Keto DL was a liar or told it. He's a big liar.
I said, but you didn't give Naomi the chance to explain to you. The time you now wanted, you were not ready. Naomi's husband said no. Naomi said no. I said, come on, let's put ourselves in our shoe now. When I want to explain something to you, you say no, say you're doing that. Now when you ready, you can't say make I come. Me say I go tell you, say I don't, my sister, I don't there, so I don't get your time.
Also, I'm not going to damn Naomi. Very Naomi, me, I say, but say, what could be some, but so we can, I give her. Only every boy when Mama is not to money, we're back off. Me too, I don't back off. And now me, where one comment, I comment you. Be a bay. I reckon I was also on a deal, as only not do me. As a desire, I make the book by cool. I was then I win. Here we win. Only every moment on a match work, we go to work, baby. No, I'm my that man is saying you're working all day. You be boy by none of women, none of what I do me 1,000 years. My bag, you will say, in that way, disgrace to it. Yeah, this is who lava. Then me have a one on. Village apart. Me have say we on lawa. Come we no boy. We no boy. Or we enjoy key. Office second on so no ya we tafia koko sadele ya here. Ben Galaxy say we do tafia on Facebook. Who be this one? Go make pay your phone ne. Oh good. But go make pay for. Na make na rio bonokpa. Ak pay ya. Ne Facebook make na ore. O man na ore e do play nekpa. Who be this one? E want sa. E want to gesu. E dey we me gwa. Hello. E dey no na me gwa. Go ma be me Facebook. Gwa. Ya ge na pe o zo bo. Oya rivo. When oya rivo. Okay na here na na close keti. Okay na here. Okay. Okay, ome. They say me a cotton. So then, who they say shut up for there? Wazu. Don't want to go away no shut up. Me sure I me no roll. Well, when you shut up, you are guara you out. You are we. But when I say I get driver. You driver say stop, I stop. Driver. You when I be careful. Ya carry down, I when I call gaga, I say gaga, hello. Talk, no time. Talk to me now. Not be careful, faith. Now, Now faith. Na faith, which can get no be to get again, get to again. Faith. Now come no. Now faith. If I say Kate, mona pardon me. Which can Kate? Faith kai. Faith. Not to Gbomosho. Faith kai faith. No we no slim say. When not slim, he said, my people, when I stop, no do. When not slim, he said, I told you. Where, now faith, you hungry. A faith, where we know where the basse. Where I remember we are working. Who told it there? On an say, on an well, on an say, Where no, I'm not where, as you sit down, think about your life. You get a better sister. Which is Kate, better sister that kiss secret. Even when I now know say that when they tell me say, Mama, there is someone that is going Kate to Ayala Lamit. I don't even know say that. I call and say, Kate, come, be careful. He will not be careful. He must do because be careful. They say somebody dey your house so they give oyegile. Yeah, VRTA. Oyegile, no, am I way? Yeah, we see quality book. Oh, yeah, we are saying Ayala Lamit information about you. owe mama yen won say oso papa yen tele but o tele ni hin na o tin dan imai wa ta me go ma no ki o ina be careful won go ma kan gbo ma wa no ta me if you lost somebody when you hear something about that person let her know say be careful. That's what I'd say. Be careful. Because you're mocking. It's bad already after I tap up and until you're my body. If you know me, I will watch the way you are damn a live video presenter. I know we are allowed to know how I'm going. I don't know whether I go talk. A video na make by if I go get. No, a blessing go where we mono. And go. What the live video? Where mono and I'm making out the so dog you go more for to come to join the other side. In me I village operator la wa. Ma wa no la wa we live do we make no we do robi me. Me make na vie me your own son. Iye ne kai. Ene kai boy am boy na do mo ye social media. Then we me na agata go to one office salon. Awe bu you we me abi bu you are do. E can you na awo serve juju ni. Ni medical ya akara we go me we no se me. Yen wo he bogudu kun. O wo egbe mi yo he be osun e dia. Ni ta mi ju e. Go osun o we. Won aso han be o we be de ni a. Ni ka mi ju ni boy ba akara we la wo. Ije. O we sun o dia. Ozo e. Ozo osun o we bi yeke. Won aso han be o dia. Usun e dia mi ni wa. Wa ekenu je ni o ma gwa we nu ya anwena etugbe ma we nwena abi okay na house for the work. I will keep my record cry well I no play and finish. If I say I won't play record no come e make painful ya nyonyu wa nyonyo ani wa gwa lo ni ya gbe depression on the work and we no wa gba ni we. Keep your record. Oh, he keep a depression or worry when make be now. Clare, if you go you want a depression or worry when now. Oh, me work be now. We be depression now. Yeah, body we ma be we tap in a depression we like kiri. Yeah, we pa very ni ti odi. He work po we do. Na depression or we brain no make na full. Na ya le life no ya make na we mi agbon. Wo ma wo ju re metu we su le adi. Kaka we ti takpe carry your odugo. Imo ere da iwa me pefu. Iwa me ya wo ya be pesho. We go me ma wo me be pesho. We go me marry YouTube. Ge wan na wa we no YouTube kele. We mai. Pefu. Pefu akpe chen. Ugwe. Pefu. Who be this? Hold on. A video you know. 2 months, 3 months, I pay for. Who are we now? What's on now? I pay for. Only okay, go wow. Hold on. I pay for. How we mock? Hello? 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 Where talk? Where? What wasn't? No man na. Imi akpo di oni. Akpe ya. What he bitter for inside house, not bitter for outside. I prefer you to bitter for outside. Make people know the bad way do. Enough he use anybody dump them. Now the group tell us say make get out of there. We not see that time when be say now the group put up it. Not be the group first they insult am. Now the group dump and say get out for here. You are a two-face. We walk by you, only you will go here, only you will go here. Now the group dump am. Now the group dump. Hey, village operator. Is it not the group that dump you? Tell me yes or no. What told you? Not be they dump you. They dump you because you were here and there. You were bringing with fake. You are not bringing. You are not bringing You are not bringing the yeye information to the group. Now they bullshit you. Now they bullshit you. Now one you are doing. But my working key. Now who a presenter? Who cost a presenter? Now are you a presenter? What who go to a dog and when make it loud when I go there now. Go on. Na go kwa me. When ma go to we do gbin na nedo, no make na lawa. U gbin na for na okin ewu na for waka. Where you man again any platform not to we leli afia we ni. Be the live video presenter we ye. U ki Africa nazo. When the Italo Africa nazo. La wa no ya do eki. La wa no do eki. Go and do your trades and work. Take care of those your beautiful kids. La go. What money? Now the group dump you. You call me personally and say, Mommy, they are insulting me. Mommy, I blocked them. Mommy, I want to block them. Mommy, they are Mommy, it's not you that dump them. They use you and dump you. Because they tell you that they are not going to give up. You see something they're going to again. It was here. After you tell them to join you beat your colleague. I will be try. Now you tell them say, Nelly Black, please don't join her, please. Please, you want to suffocate Naomi? No, it's coming to suffocate Naomi. No, people, join me. I don't need more deco. When a devil here, when he hate, he ugly hate, what? A hate near hate, you know, walk again. And you also have digs one guy where. Taku. Una che lo che pesa baro toto. Una che pesa. Una che lo che pesa toto. Oh, è secret. Voilà what tu en voulez. Voulez. Wega tu ma ya urere bugo wa. U kamia na awagbe. Audio pakwa. No yaka where you people fire up. Beat on. Yeah, go agba ne o we vie. Wa do ladin, wa do saibo. O saibo nedo. Tete lo chuto mon chuto mo. O chuto mo. You know but no ya mo yoga sin rasiri. Us de yeah, ma yo kana. You know, say this kind of thing, they make me get power. Or say, you be what they make me the old. You know this kind of words, they make me young. After you will go, for back. Ube buyanati, now you made the record you so. No get me. That's why they record you. They not know that you are a liar. Now you will go there, you will see Bricon, you will go there, you will Bricon. Now they say, I record when you're home. It's a shot to me, I get one of those fois. Now I made the record you. Cause we man stable. Wow, Kedia. Nelly Black, where are you, darling? Nelly Black, fire down. Fire up. There was not stable in one place before. They are all the group. There was no group before. They don't know each other on Facebook. Now you now group there as a group now. Everybody now that they beat before, even me, they will beat me. They beat this one, beat this one. When I act, you're not a cop or when I do a win. It's been already. No, I use them. You dump them. You didn't use anybody. They use you and dump you. They have brain. You say you go to school. Those children have brain more than you. That's why they record you. Do you think as I be, let me record you? It's not me. It's the group. Now you record it. They send when you lie on my head. They say, Mama, no. You cannot go free. Why this woman should lie on you? Wait till you can't tell us, say, Mama B was there. I tell Mama B to be listening. It's still there. Mama payful. I want to give Kate chance. So the other Kate, other Kate, not making a lie. Me now get church mind. Oh no, not get church mind. Let them play their own finish. You understand? I use them. Yeah, you don't know how to get my brain. But my one madowa. Now we get I know where we go going on. Where we go cover. One madowa mami go na mi go na dowa. When I go going on. Oh God. Agwen you ko ya you ko bu e ran. When we igbo wan. Oyin ran temi azen. Ya gbo e ran asun wa han bi. E love ni ye menu ni wa ran kere. Ya you ko flog gagana. Ya e where we image giribu e. Lawa. Maybe now. Go and trade. You say you are selling this, you are selling that, you are selling gold. You know. I want to follow you buy gold and stop rubbish. I want to buy gold. Yeah. Stop nonsense. Nonsensical. Stop it. I don't want to see that your stupid update. You are provoking me. You want me to release the go. Stop it. Stop. Yeah. This one go say I buy house. He will get caught. I buy house. It why easy with London. This London shopper. Easy. They just the nyonyo all the way where the nyonyo people right from day one. Nyonyo. And when I stand for nyonyo. But why nyonyo? Don't know why nyonyo man. No one man na mi go ya dukun yigbe. Mama dash me we have a lalo bag no re AliExpress 20 pounds. Sometimes biggest today man. Biggest is 15 pounds, 10 pounds. Why? Raba kokunu. No go get the salon yawa. Raba kokunu. Esa we book ma bakara kokunu. Oba lo chigomo e we chigomo me tell me ade chigomo we na. Ite we chigomo ya lo we video na. Bobi abe no re mi bira. Bad jana. Me na ema we useless French then. A friend in Okokemana Yagbama. Yes, you do. You were just there like you too like her. You were just there that let's discuss at the back. But for front to another place to call like the way we full here. But for you are disgusted the woman, the idiot woman. When be say he will never finish for victim. He will still for victim. Victim na be name. He go for victim till he die. Na be second name. No sense. When you bought Daniel, now you come to say, I'm gonna, if I come out for you guys, I want you to come and speak that English. Come and speak that baby grammar. No words any. I will come out for any black. And the black tell you a secret. Unwe when all your secret for you. And the black ever tell you a secret. Unwe now. Go and do your business. Face your job, face your children, and face your goat seller. So you be goat seller. Yeah? Face your business. So that if me see I like I will buy. Wow! You man not low, and no go all the goat. So that the man can go went there. Who the Zuzu? Don't let me see your fiki and again. Lagwa ekwemu. Lagwa ekwemu where? Or see man of Boma yek. Oh, wekinia. You they give up this. Again, I was beating Lela in inside house. I was sending them to beat her for outside. Who does that? It's only devil can do that because you are a bad friend. You go the beat her for inside house. You go they send a messenger, make they do her for outside. Now where we magbo. If you send person message to come and beat up my car for outside, you they beat me for inside. Likewise, you are a bad person. You are not a good friend. On a mind me say, hey, you know whoever see friend like a friend before. They are friend. You know whoever see friend like that one again. Who they cover for? Cover. You know me? Me. No apple there. You tell us say don't do no yeah. Oh well, okay, yeah. Before you know, Facebook na you go me. When na jawa wisaka. Omen na with la na we me awu pepe. Me come on now pepe la dia me. Do we for 2015. They agbe me bonisa. You here attack. We my only. Who was over me? I don't need saga again. You people should leave that person alone. Because if I come back now with full force, make bomb maropa, or won't pay your face. Yes, a good well living. Every man who have face will make all. What violate? Oh, bon, why have you and you are more violent, don't more in way. No good post. Not beg a go. Not beg a go, gag a go. Well, if you're not more like that, I'd never come away. They are so beautiful. Well, Macavia Lada. We are going anyway. Oh, we don't know why I'm more different. Well, I don't know if you do. After all, you were with Sarana. We do. I were with Sarana. I make book on me. Stop! Rubbish. My guys, maybe tomorrow we'll play this. Remember, when I also want to listen to that one before we judge. You know, after the audio, we'll judge. After that. Hey! Village typewriter, stop it. Don't ever write all those rubbish where you write. I use them, dump them. What did you use? Like this way they go settle people for indoor. But for outside you are telling people to go fight. Are you not a devil? If me are bringing peace for someone, I will beg. I will not tell you. I will call this party to call them, please stop. This one stop. It's okay. It's okay. That's hard to see a good person. Not be welcome or serve you. Yella lamit, what you done is not good, blah blah blah. But we game only a baby by on one time. Bego boy, what can go and go well at the end when I lay in on an baby out. I don't know whether you wear pants where you talk. Was a little no matter. Wow, Zuzu, the Zuzu there. Now we're mad. Agbayano redo ameno me they don't know what I will. What is Zuzu? What is Zuzu? Ameno my again. Even me na wo hona na mo. E wo ha we mo we na because o ma na wo beri o hoga na me. Okay. Ameno my e agmedo buwegun awo. Emi we gbenen stop e yan re yan re side we ya mu yan eniria ya go we ono na wa mo eniria we ono na mu yan won hori yan ni wa hezi me agun edo ege mama latia mama le mama ra ma ulo la if mama bo ino go gulo wa yan me mo ma ri ara tirawe we no ya gbeli bi lo dun tare abeti me bi agujo we yan mu ni Emma, die. Di me mu ni o wa do ani dori awa. Ato wa to igbo ewa. Wa to igbo ewa. Igbo pai. Emi no da wa say I me show you as. Ato we be no ya mo ge ba me ni e love ni ga me no me kire na. Ene le love our colorful ye ga igbo eve. Rubbish. Let's go there, my people. Yes, let's go. Me have down here. Yes, thank you all for watching me. God continue to bless you. Remain humble. Don't lie. If you don't like somebody, stay clear from the person. Don't go here and there. Please, guys. If you don't love me, don't come here. Don't do it. Naomi, my sweetie Porero, Mokiro, no ye blah blah. You see, Anna, I told you. Ubege, you marry your mother. Ubere love your makeup we go yet italo vie go we ya fiere ra o omo no mo se but we are we man ai madam Mr. Gbakwekwe Mr. Bisugbe o were ma o were gi me o were gi ku ekemi na wezaga ade ba laro when I went my lagua, man lagua. Who won't teach you how to wash it to? No one who won't teach you how to dress? When my bag your gay, I'm going with baby party. Oh, we ate it anyway. Yes, anyway, nowhere. Here where you don't they play, they come meet. They give a 1 year party near the royal fear. Got what? Oh, imeri obono ni o ma we mo gbese iwe gbe yo we ba una o you pin babuwa iwa we gbe dani no mu ge native o de no oye mama ora ona joy who de pepe wa gbera na no we aya abana na ni ma ye wa kolo na do ne pisi meke na ado wa se ma na ma ni vedo se ma na vedo ina we e o ni vedi egbeleyin no e ko lo ko ye le ge dede la wa kere ene ke we ko we asi obobo he o ya we o go dede ni e dede la tian o dede la yeah let's go and look it now they say all the day there why we can a depression of pie why you gbere na bye I told you guys if you know you are my friend yes don't say you fight outside you send people to fight me and you are not dealing with me inside now God will punish you if you are my friend you fight only me don't send people to after don't send people make they follow me you go tell them say why you beg me do aruwe no do audio ni why yawe no do a confess le ma on want donc why you do a confess you say I cannot scatter you guys who want to scatter you I'm trying to let that one say use your wisdom go wherever man way you are not a wisdom o man na no a wisdom o can agbe also I was telling my on YouTube o man no ya there o why you not call me say mama why you do like this well o ipe you e ho why me na jinania why ya disgrace me me no o me na tell lo come yo me no gi madam fi safe o ko not to boy yo boy winner the working class lady name you have a view akeri bai oh wait I need to do pam